Self practice 5.4, question 2. A wire with a length of 240 cm is cut into 15 pieces, such that the length of each piece follows an arithmetic progression. So we have a wire 240 cm. We cut it into 15 pieces, and all the pieces follows an arithmetic progression. Longest piece of wire is 30. So the first piece we cut, this is 30 cm. Calculate the length of the shortest wire. Okay, so we cut, it becomes shorter. The last one, let's say this is the shortest. We need to find this length. So we can say A is 30 cm. S15, the sum of 15 pieces, all these 15 pieces, the total sum is 240 cm. We need to find the we need to find the shortest wire, which is the last piece. So here we can use the formula Sn equals to n over 2 A plus L. So we know S15 is 15 over 2 A plus L. And we know what is S15. S15 is 240. So we can sub this with 240. Then we calculate. So 240, 15 over 2 times 30. Fifteen over 2 times 30 is 225 plus 15 over 2 L. Okay, we just expand now. Then 240 minus 225 divide by 15 over 2. So L will be 2. Okay, so 240, 225 I brought here became minus, and then this one become divide. Maybe I should just write it down. Okay, so 240 minus 225 is 15 over 2L. And then this answer here would be 15 equals to 15 over 2L. So this one, if we bring it over this side, becomes divide, because this and this are related by times. So you bring over here, becomes divide. So 15 divide 15 over 2, you get 2 lah. So here I can say L is 2. So this will be our shortest wire, 2 cm. Done. Then let's try B. Find the difference between two consecutive wires. So we need to find the D. So we know L is 2 cm. And S15 is 240. Okay, so here we can use the other formula for Sn. The other formula is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Because this formula got d, so we can find d lah. So S15 will be 15 over 2, 2a plus 15 minus 1d. And since we know what is S15, we can put 240 here. And then we sub and we expand and simplify. So 240, 15 over 2 times 2 times 30 will be 450. Then 15 over 2 times 14d, we get 105d. So 240 minus 450 equals to 105d. So d will be 240 minus 450 over 105. get negative 2. So it decreases by 2 cm until the last one. So 30, then this will be 28, 26, 24, and so on. That's it.